Hi everyone, my name is Carlos and today we're diving into a topic that has been causing some headaches: moving your Microsoft 365 from GoDaddy to Microsoft directly. So you probably registered a domain name with GoDaddy, and during the process you might have obtained a Microsoft 365 subscription as well. Makes sense, right? One-stop shopping. GoDaddy has been partnering with Microsoft to resell Microsoft 365 since 2014. But there is a kicker. They rebranded it with their own version. Now, you may be thinking, what's the big deal? Well, these GoDaddy versions come with limitations compared to the standard Microsoft 365 versions. This can be a real pain point, especially if your IT support person is trying to leverage the full power of Microsoft 365. So what's the alternative? Moving your Microsoft 365 from GoDaddy to Microsoft directly. It sounds simple, but it can be a bit complicated. Don't worry though, I have you covered. In this video, I will explain why you should consider making the switch and guide you through the process step by step. And if you need extra help, you can always reach out to me for assistance. First up, let's talk about why you might want to make this move. With Microsoft 365 directly from Microsoft, you get the complete set of features and functionality. Microsoft support team is top-notch, and you will get direct access to the expertise. You and your IT person will be able to benefit from the available information on Microsoft 365, from Microsoft and from other sources. If you are using other Microsoft services, direct integration is smoother and more efficient. As your business grows, it is easier to scale with the direct version from Microsoft. Alright, now let's get into the steps for making this move. You will need to contact GoDaddy support and describe that you want to move your Microsoft 365 subscription with Microsoft directly. This is very important. Be prepared to receive feedback and instructions telling you to back up all your data and purchase a brand new Microsoft subscription from Microsoft. This is an alternative, but not the one that you want to walk through. This option will generate a lot of headaches, and there is a risk of losing your data along the way. Believe me, you don't want to do that. The option that you want to work is explained in the next GoDaddy article. By the way, I'm leaving a link to this article in the description. It is titled, "Move my Microsoft 365 email away from GoDaddy." As the article describes, there might be a need to go to Microsoft directly or another cloud solutions partner, such as to add additional products or features not included in plans from GoDaddy. As you can see, this is what GoDaddy described in their own document. Here are the steps described in the article. Confirm your email accounts are active and don't expire within the next 5 business days. During this time, GoDaddy will remain your email provider. Contact GoDaddy Guide to request the move. GoDaddy will create a ticket for your move request. Within 5 days, GoDaddy will email you a temporary password to the email address on file for your GoDaddy account. This email can't be an email address that is moving away from GoDaddy during this process. You will need to sign into the existing tenant at Microsoft directly using the temporary password. You can use this link at the bottom. Then you need to purchase the plans or licenses you need within the Microsoft 365 Admin Center to continue the service with Microsoft. You will need to remove the old licenses from the users and assign the new licenses that you just purchased from Microsoft. You are now ready to cancel your Microsoft 365 subscription with GoDaddy. By following this process, all your data will remain intact. Remember, you can cancel the Microsoft 365 service with GoDaddy after assigning the licenses. No data migration is needed. No DNS records need to be modified. You can keep your domain name with GoDaddy. It is actually suggested. You may need to reset all user passwords when the process is complete. And that's it. With these steps, you will be all set with your new Microsoft 365 setup directly from Microsoft, enjoying all the benefits without the GoDaddy limitations. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. And remember, if you need any help with this process, feel free to reach me out. I hope you see you next time. And remember, Stay secure, stay tech savvy.